Hey guys, this is how to fix the Roku app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions. And for Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the application. And then now guys, just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And now after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any issue. Now, another solution that you have is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps over here. And now just simply go find the Roku app or use the search bar at the top and search for the application. And now just simply go ahead and tap on the application and just simply tap on storage and tap on a clear cache. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix it when you try launching the app. If it still doesn't, just simply tap on a clear data and just simply tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, again, just simply go for the third solution, which is going back to the top left corner. Just simply tap on the go back. And now just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply install the Roku application back again into your device. And you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you have any question, guys, just simply comment down below and I will try my best to answer it. And thanks for watching.